we wanted to say again, thank you, mahalo for all of your support. But more than anything, just to get together, see all of you that we haven't seen in, what, a year or two, a year and a half or so. I'm going to hand the mic over to Sharon.
Thank you all for coming. This has been wonderful. Thank Rosie for all that she's done for this whole, we call ourselves the village. There's 60 houses on this whole cul-de-sac, and this whole street is the village. And we are so happy that she has brought us all together through all this COVID. We used to have the happy hours here, which I'm sure many of you have come down for and drank and then gone home. But we're all home. Yeah. Or the kids took you back in the wagon. But we have become a true village here, and it's been a labor of love.
Yes, it has.
Yes. So thank you all again.
You dare to, why, oh why can't I won't cry. I won't cry. I won't cry. No, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand, can I? So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
I've been loving with no meaning, running from a feeling. I know that I want you. Don't get me started at this time of night. Hard to keep my guard up when it feels right. Ooh, don't need nobody but for you. All that I want is you. I just wanna see you. You could come over. I know you're shy. You can be shy with me.
Wala